Hello everyone, take the top section of the hair, divide it into two parts, twist it, and then insert it into the middle section of a multi-level clip as such. Make it a little puffed up before you do so. Then take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the left side of the clip. Take a section from the left side, twist it, insert it into the right side of the clip. Next, take this decorative hair twine and then insert it into the ponytail which you've already made. Twist this ponytail around the hair twine and then add a rubber band to the base of it. Once you are done with this, roll it up into a bun as such. After this, add a rubber band to the hair and then add the decorative portion of the clip on the sides as such. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, lift up this ponytail and add a multiple prong pin to it. Now let the rest of the hair down and then add a rubber band to the middle section of it. Roll it up into a bun, then use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Do this from bottom upwards as such. Next, we will be taking these twisted decorative butterfly clips. Add a rubber band to the base of the hair, take the hair from the ponytail and then twist it around the arm of this clip. Now push this clip through as such and then twist it in order to fasten it in its place. Take the remaining amount of hair and then twist it around the bun that you have created. Next, tie a rubber band at the base of the hair and then, while you are going on the last loop, make it into a bun. Now loosen this entire bun, roll it upwards, then wrap the rest of the hair around it and make it into a tighter bun. Add a rubber band around this once you are done. Now you may also add a decorative bow or a clip to it at the top. We have added a bow out of black. Take a multi-level clip, fasten it at the back, then take a section from the left and the right side, twist both of these sections and insert it into the middle level of the clip. Now take a section from the right side, twist it and insert it into the right side of the clip, then take a section from the left side, twist it and insert it into the left side of the clip. Now take all of the hair, gather it together and then twist it, wrap it around the finger as such, that is the pointer finger. Now wrap the rest of the hair behind it as well, tuck it in and then use a twisted clip in order to fasten it in its place as such. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Lift up this ponytail and then clip up the bottom of the hair. Add a rubber band to the top of the hair and afterwards fasten it in downwards as such. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Now, you may also use a multiple prong pin in order to do so. Thank you for watching.